Mother, may I go outside and play? Almost, Mom. Just one page left. Okay, Mother. May I watch TV for 5 minutes? Yes, Mother. Just a short cartoon. Thank you, Mother. Oh no, Mother, may I please watch one more episode? Just one. But Mother, it's the best part. Okay, Mother, may I have a cookie? Just one, please. I promise. Yay. Thank you, Mother. Mother, may I help you with dinner? Can I cut the carrots? Okay, Mother. I love helping you. Mother, may I stay up late tonight? Because tomorrow is Friday. Everyone at school will talk about the movie tonight. I promise. Thank you, Mother. You're the best.